What's up guys, to here back with another video, and in today's video I've got another great way for you to make money online. This one is pretty simple. It's not going to take a lot for you to set up, and you can get started right away. And you'll be promoting stuff that's pretty in demand, so this one should be easy for you to get started with. With that being said, let's jump in my computer so I can show you exactly what you need to get started. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. Alright guys, so with today's method, you could easily earn between $2,000 and $3,000 a week. And the way you're going to do this is by promoting video editors as an affiliate. Now, so usually as you look online and you see different recommendations with different content creators, they're usually talking about either Adobe or they're talking about what's the other one? Final Cut. But there are tons of other video editors out there that are just as good, if not better, than those two products. And guess what? They all have affiliate programs. So the first one that we're going to look at, and it's one that I use, it's CyberLink. Okay. This is pretty good, and it's as close to Adobe as you can get. They have an affiliate program, and in order to find it, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom, click on Contact Us, and you will see right here where it says Business Partner, you have Affiliate. You want to click on this right here where it says Affiliate Partner, and it'll tell you right now where you can earn up to 20% commission on all these products right here, right? So what is 20% commissions with CyberLink? So here we have their plans, and these are the one-time buys right here, and over here is their subscription plan. So if you were to get them to buy the one time, you would make $25, give or take, right? And if they were to get a monthly subscription, it would be $20 a month. Not much, but if you were to do the membership, that's $20 a month, right? So imagine getting a nice, I say you get 5 people and you've got an extra $100 a month. And it's not hard to do. I'll show you how you can promote this stuff a little bit later. And trust me, it's not hard at all. And once I show you, it should instantly get the creative juices going, and you'll want to start right away. All right. So again, just sign up, get your affiliate links, and then you can put that to the side for now. All right. Now, I did mention Adobe earlier, and Adobe also has an affiliate program. Now, you'll have to put in a direct link, which would be right here up in the search bar, adobe.com/affiliate. And that'll bring you straight to the affiliate page, because you're not really going to find it if you go to the main Adobe site. All right, so just keep that in mind for now. So again, they give you the benefits. All right, and this lets you know how much in commissions that you'll get for whatever you promote. So like if you promote the Creative Cloud, you get up to 85% in commission for 1 month. Or if it's the annual, again, it's the same thing. And then you have 8% if it's prepaid. Okay? And that's, when they get the little credits and all that stuff. So, and then you have Adobe Stock, that's like royalty free stuff. you'll get $72 on the monthly plan, and I would assume that that's per month because it is a membership. Okay, so this is Adobe's affiliate program. So again, go ahead and apply, get your links, and then you want to go ahead and push that to the side. And I'll show you one more. Now, mind you, I'm going to show you one more, but there are plenty of video editors out there, and you can get tons of affiliate links, and I'll show you how to use them in a minute. But I'll show you one more, and that is Filmora. Now, this is a desktop computer and a mobile video editor, okay? And for those who are mobile content creators or may need their phone or only have their phone to create content, you have one for them. And go away. And as you can see, it says right here, you can earn as much as $3,000 a week by joining their affiliate program. And it breaks down how much, what the commission rate is for the different rates. Okay. So you just scroll down. Well, let me backtrack and show you how to access this. So here's the main Filmora site. Go away. All right. And you want to just scroll down. And you'll see it right here, affiliate program. All right. Click on that. And then you get the affiliate page. And then you scroll down. And these are all the different options to sign up for their affiliate program. Okay. So if for whatever reason you have issues with one, try another site. All right. Cool. Now that we got that out the way, again, the way you'll be promoting these is by creating content. Now you can either create content on YouTube or you can create content via building a website. Now these would be the most predominant ways to promote these that you can promote. You can use things like Instagram. And basically what you'll be doing is you'll be creating content on basically each of the programs, like their prices, what features they have, tutorials on how to use them. You can do 1v1 comparisons. I mean, there's all sorts of things that you can do to create content to get people to check out your links and buy from you. I mean, let's check out YouTube real quick. Just an example. And here we go. So right here, this video right here, as you can see, they have affiliate links to all of the different video editors that they were talking about in this video. If you click on them, they're all affiliate links. So go ahead and click on one. And here you can see right here, this right here is their affiliate link. Right here, this is their affiliate ID. And if you purchase from them, they will get a commission. All right. And basically, again, like I said, all you have to do is just create content on maybe the different pricing structures, what you get with each video editing software, tutorials on how to use the editing software. You can do 1v1 comparisons to see which one is better than which other video editors. Tons of things you can do. And trust me, people, look at this. 317,000 views. That's a lot of views. And you can rest assured that even if it was, we'll say 3 to 10% of the viewers actually purchased, this content creator made a good chunk of money just by providing content on the different video editors out there. And you can do the same thing. Trust me, you can do the same thing. All you gotta do is just take action. Again, all you need is a screen capture software, something like OBS. And if your laptop or computer has a built-in mic, that's all you need. Or heck, I'm using my cell phone mix with my computer, and you can do the same thing. Or you can even do this from your smartphone if you don't have a computer. There's so many ways you can do this, and trust me, you can be successful with this. All you need to do is get started, and that's all there is to it. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you in today's video. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and share this out with anybody who you think may find this video useful. Please hit that subscribe button, and one more thing, in the description down below is my #1 way, my recommended way to make money online. So, if you're looking for what I do, you can go ahead and click on that first link down below. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.